三津波南側上山北海首相門正五郎。
New Year's Eve, or Omisoka in Japanese, signifies a day when the old year is cast aside. Hence, it's also referred to as Jojitsu, or the day of removal. The bells that are rung at temples on this evening, known as Joya no Kane, herald the transition from one year to the next. These bells are rung 107 times before midnight on New Year's Eve, with a final 108th struck after the clock strikes 12. This tradition stems from the Japanese Buddhist teaching that humans are afflicted by 108 worldly desires, or bonno. The act of striking the bell 108 times symbolizes an effort to dispel these desires. Why 108, you may ask? There are various interpretations, but one common explanation lies in Japanese Buddhist philosophy, which identifies 6 sensory faculties: eyes, ears, nose, tongue, body, and mind, collectively called Rokkon. Each of these senses perceives stimuli as pleasant, unpleasant, or neutral, leading to 3 classifications per sense. Multiplying 6 by 3 gives 18. Additionally, these stimuli are considered either pure or impure, doubling the number to 36. Finally, taking into account the 3 aspects of time, past, present, and future, the total becomes 108. This custom is said to have originated in China and was introduced to Japanese Zen temples in the late Kamakura period by a Chinese monk. During the Muromachi era, the practice of striking temple bells on New Year's Eve gradually spread, becoming commonplace by the Edo period. However, during the Second World War, temple bells were confiscated and melted down for military use. It is often said that the sound of a temple bell embodies the voice of the Buddha, meant to bring peace to hearts and harmony to society. Tragically, these sacred instruments were repurposed for war. The bell at Fukugonji Temple was also taken during the war, but a new one was crafted in the Showa era after the war ended. As we strike the bell at the close of this year, and as you listen to it chime, let us be mindful that this is possible only because Japan is at peace. The Joya no Kane is not a mere countdown to the new year. Each strike of the bell will release you of your desires, clear the fog of attachment and ignorance, allowing for the seedling in your heart to grow with purity. Know that each strike of the bell is imbued with hope, that the sounds of the bell may help dispel even a fraction of our worldly desires, fostering harmony among humans and peace across the world. And as you listen to the bell, I hope you open your mind to gratitude as you look back on all of the things that have happened this year, all of the people you have been supported by.